Ed Graves with Energy Improvements. Today I want to talk to you about heat transfer. Heat transfers three ways. Number one is conduction. Conduction is direct heat flow. This is basically 5 to 7% of your heat gain or loss in your home. It doesn't matter if it's 100 degrees outside, that heat's not transferring through your walls or your attic roof, your ceilings. Okay? If you put a rod in the fireplace, that heat's going to directly go up that rod. You put a pan on top of a stove, the pan gets hot, that's a direct heat flow. Really doesn't apply in a home. Convection is the second place. Convection basically is when your heat rises. And we can get into all kinds of explanation about this, but this is 45 to 50% of your heat that you lose in the wintertime is convection. It rises, it finds cracks, the flue in the, if it's not flued properly in the chimney, that's where you lose some of your convective heat. The main heat that we gain and lose in our home is radiant heat. And radiant heat, this is heat that transfers from a warm place to a cool place. Anything over 0 degrees gives off radiant heat. Our bodies, the stove, the sun, the fireplace, the insulation in the attic. It doesn't matter if you have 5 or 15 inches of insulation, that heat absorbs through there and it transfers into the house and your unit is working against it. In the wintertime, the heat rises, absorbs through the insulation and emits out. You're either gaining or losing it through the ceiling. 93% of the heat that you gain in the summer is radiant heat. Up to 75% of what you lose in the winter is radiant heat. Insulation only works with conductive and convective heat. It doesn't do anything with the radiant heat. That's why installing an Energy Shield radiant barrier will do more for your home economics and comfort than anything else you can do.